Tying a tie may seem daunting at first, but with a little bit of practice and patience, it becomes a relatively simple task. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you tie a tie. Step 1. Start with the wide end of the tie on your right side and the narrow end on your left side. The wide end should be about 12 inches longer than the narrow end. Step 2. Cross the wide end over the narrow end, and then bring it up and over the knot. Step 3. Take the wide end behind the knot and bring it up over the knot again. Step 4. Hold the knot with your left hand and take the wide end down and to the right, passing it in front of the knot. Step 5. Bring the wide end up and over the knot from behind. Step 6. Bring the wide end down through the loop that has been created in the front of the knot. Step 7. Hold the knot with your left hand and use your right hand to adjust the tie by pulling on the narrow end and the knot until the tie is snug and the knot is centered. Step 8. Tighten the knot by pulling on the wide end while holding the knot with your left hand. Step 9. Adjust the length of the tie by pulling on the narrow end and the knot until the tie is the desired length. Step 10. Tuck the narrow end of the tie behind the wide end and adjust the knot as needed. Congratulations! You have successfully tied a tie. It may take some practice to get the knot just right, but with these steps, you should be well on your way.